Hey, kids! Don't blink, because something really beautiful is about to come. Are you ready? Say ready! Look at this! Wow! Wait, what's that? Whoa! A big pack of cars! So shiny! So cool! What do you think is inside? Let's open it! Come on! Open! 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 Oh no! It's stuck! Quick, kids! Help me! Push harder! Try again! Try! Oh! Yes! It's open! Let's see what's inside. Slowly. Whoa! Look at these amazing cars! We have a superhero car. Is that Superman? And look at this! A yellow Lamborghini! So fast, so fancy! Vroom! And look! A Batman car! So dark, so powerful! Wow! A police car! Wee woo, wee woo! OMG! A big green monster truck! It looks so strong! Kids! Which one do you like the most so far? Tell me! Is it Superman, Batman, or the Lamborghini?
Three, two, one.
But wait! What's this now? Whoa! A big jar of Orbeez! So squishy, so shiny, so bouncy! Oh no! The cars are stuck inside the Orbeez! Can we save them? Quick! Let's start rescuing! Reach in and pull! Yay! We got the first one out! Dig! Wow! The police car is out, ready to catch bad guys. Keep going, kids. Don't stop! Who's next? Let's dig again. Squish! Yay! Another one! It's Batman! So awesome! Let's keep going! Wow! Look at this! It's the superhero car! So cool! OMG! The monster truck! It's huge! So powerful! We did it, kids! We saved all the cars! Let's look at them again! One by one! So shiny! So cool! So fun! And now, all together! Wow! Wow! Look at this collection! Tell me, kids, which car is your favorite? Superman? Batman? Police car? Monster truck? Or Lamborghini? Comment below and tell me! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures! See you next time! Bye!
Bye-bye.